we are now going back to Roland and Christian because we have heard gray and yellow IOs, there are blurry lines, but what you don't want to have is blurry lines when you make edge detection, and this is where you can use our vision components for.
And I thought this blurry lines is an actual pop song. We need to dance now. Now let's talk about optics and cameras, because you might know we have cameras and we have different optics, lenses for it. We have our illumination, so this is a portfolio existing. But now here comes the clue, because what we can also do is we can put these things together, 1, 2, 3, into one so-called unit. And Christian is one of our experts in the vision team. So Christian, is this really the best of 3 all in one box?
Yes, you can see we have integrated everything we are really good at. We have integrated illumination, and this illumination is quite similar to our large simulation you have recently seen over there.
Yeah.
We've integrated the same illumination technology, and when I say technology, I mean this is also a multicolor illumination, so you can do a flash in green, in blue, or infrared, or whatever. Furthermore, we've integrated a so-called liquid lens. This liquid lens can change its refractive power on demand. And additionally, you see here on the back side of this unit, this is the platform of our VCS 2000 camera, of our standard camera. Okay. So when you attach this camera to TWINKET, it really looks very similar to our standard cameras. There are just some additional controls for controlling the illumination and the liquid lens.
Okay, so at the end, it remains at the basics, an Ethercat cable and the data cable for the pictures, and that's it.
Yeah, that's it. Yeah, you see, you have also, this is also a very robust setting here. So you achieve an IP65, IP67 rating here, along with very many mounting possibilities, industrial grade connectors. So we want to make this product ready to be directly put into a machine.
So I think it's simplification. It really makes it so easy for the customer. Now, what I learned is that usually also the product which has to be inspected has different heights. Yes. And that's normally the optic can adjust this. Now, how do we do this liquid lens now?
Yeah, this is why we integrated the liquid lens. So the customer has the possibility to actuate the liquid lens to adapt to products of different height using the control. And you can even set up some kind of autofocus, for example, for setup purposes or so. So this means you take the image is transferred using TWINKET Vision. It's analyzed in terms of some sharpness matrix also on. Then you give the feedback to the liquid lens, and then you can analyze the image again. And so you have a control loop which establishes some kind of autofocus. Huh?
Oh, so the lens has the control loop, but I think you mentioned this already quickly. Everything is TWINKET integrated, because we started today this session with TWINKET. So at the end, it's a ready-to-go solution in hardware and software.
Yes.
Now, ready to go means I need it. So, Christian, when can I get it?
Yeah, this will be ready at the end of this year.
Okay, this is soon, because we have already November. Yeah. So thanks for the update. Perfect.